Hey, what's going on? So I heard your fridge wasn't cooling. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. It normally cools pretty well. All right, let me check it out for you. What's that? Oh, that? Oh, yeah. We just leave that there so it's easier to access the fridge. You know, if you leave that there, the fridge isn't gonna cool correctly. What? What are you talking about? The fridge makes cold air. So if anything, it should be colder out here if the door is open. Okay. So do you want me to fix it or not? Yes, please. We really need this. That'll be $400. Wow, thanks. You're a lifesaver.